Hey everybody, welcome back to my modern homestead. If you don't already know, my name is Janet and you are here for part 2 of Holiday Prep Made Easy. And y'all, I'm crazy as a bat. I forgot that we are not going to be at home today and I can't make my cranberry sauce with you today. But all hope is not lost. I forgot I had actually made cranberry sauce on this channel before. It is one of my very first videos. And if you want to make cranberry sauce, you can look up here in the cards. I'll link it there. I'll also put the link in the description below. And if I can remember, I'll try to actually link my blog post to that. And one note about that cranberry sauce, if you want to make it, after all these years I have figured out I like around 1/8 of a teaspoon of the cinnamon, not the 1/4 of a teaspoon. And make sure you taste your orange juice before you use it in that cranberry sauce, because if your oranges are bitter, your cranberry sauce is going to end up bitter. Who wants bitter cranberry sauce? Not me. So y'all don't laugh. That, like I told you, that is one of my very first videos. I do need to update that one. Let me know below if y'all would like to see an updated video. But we do need to get our turkey out. Remember, if you're making a 20-pound turkey or bigger, it should have been taken out yesterday. If you are making one that's less than 20 pounds, I think it was 15 to 20 pounds, take it out today. So let's go get our turkey and let's get it out. And when this is over, you can go back and watch that. But hey, if you don't want to make cranberry sauce, that's perfect. Not a problem there. You go to the store and get your cranberry sauce. You can use this day to do something else that needs to be done, that can be done ahead of time. Chop some vegetables. If you don't want to can collards, and you want to do fresh greens, go ahead and get those washed up and chopped and pop those in the freezer. And then you can cook them on Thanksgiving Day. There's lots of things you can do. Start cleaning your house. Hey, that works too. But anyway, let's go get that turkey. Ha, here we go. I got my turkey on sale. It was originally $30.16. I got it on sale for $14. And this is a 14, I think that's a 14. I need to go get my eyes checked. 14.5-pound turkey. Now to unthaw my turkey, I just stick it in a pot just so that any juices that may run off will go into the pot and not all over my refrigerator. So now I need to make room in the refrigerator, so that's a great time to get that cleaned out. So I'm going to do that. Okay, everybody, so boy, am I missing that big refrigerator from that last video. If you're new around here, you might not know that this time last year we were packing to move. At that time, we had no clue where we were moving to, but this is the house we ended up in, and this is the refrigerator we have. But thank you, Lord, I've got a refrigerator, but more about being thankful for that later. So there's the turkey. We did get it in here. I did clean out partially. Don't look at my refrigerator. Y'all don't need to see all that. So anyway, it took a shelf coming out, but we got it in there. So we're good. We're going to leave that until we put it in the brine on Tuesday. But I'll come back and show you that. So see, y'all, I told you this preparing is going to be easy. We're going to get this Thanksgiving meal done in plenty of time. In fact, I've got a lot of time. If I want to go ahead and make that cranberry sauce, we can do that. I know I've already mentioned it before, but if you want to see an updated video on the cranberry sauce, just let me know below. And y'all, we've got this. It's going to be good. That's why we start so far ahead of time. So if something like this comes up, well, it didn't come up. I knew about it and then forgot about it. But if you have to be gone one day, hey, you're good. You've got such little things to do during the week before Thanksgiving. You're golden. You're going to make it just fine. I think that's about it for today. I'm totally apologize I'm not making the cranberry sauce with you today, but I do hope that you'll check out that video. So, all right, guys, I will see you tomorrow for part 3. We'll find out what we need to do next. So until then, you guys have a great day. You know I love it when you come and spend a few minutes with me. So until we meet tomorrow, may you be blessed. Love you guys so much, so big, right down to the tip of my toes.